What's going on, guys? Arthur Early here. Welcome back to the channel. Alright, today we're going to be jumping into and talking about tracking. But before I get into the video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification so that you know when I'm going live or dropping another video. Now, when we first started this challenge, we were at like about 50 subscribers. We done built that up to over 300. Thank you guys for subscribing. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, guys. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about tracking. Okay, what do you mean by tracking? We're going to be using a software called Clickmagick. Now, the importance of tracking is, when I did the video the other day and I talked about traffic, this is basically breaking down the email traffic, also known as solo ads, and showing you exactly how, where, your traffic is coming from. It breaks it down by the day, the traffic quality, how much each click is going to cost you, where the clicks are coming from, if they're tier 1, if they're tier 2. All these things are broken down for you. So, the traffic that we're going to be using, the software we're going to be using is Clickmagick, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the link down below so you can go ahead and try it for free, I believe for 14 days, so that you can see if you like it or not. Alright, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and log in. Alright, once you log in, and I'm going to break down a campaign that I just recently ran and show you exactly step by step what each and everything means. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and click on links, okay, and it's going to break down and show you exactly, like I said, what the links were. So I just recently ran one right here, alright, for 820. Now, as you can see here, alright, I purchased 500 clicks. It was ran through. And now it breaks it down. You can see your basic traffic here, your pixels, your funnel, your course, URL, geo-targeting, filter, and miscellaneous. I'm going to break that all down for you. But the first thing you want to concentrate on is something called traffic quality. Now you got to go ahead and click. You see this little button right here that kind of looks like a graph? You click that. Alright, you go down to traffic quality. Now, with traffic quality, it tells you exactly the specifics of the campaign you just ran. So you see the unique IPs here. Now, the mobile clicks. Now, you have to understand one thing. People are going to be looking at your offer from either a desktop or mobile. If you're running some kind of builder software such as lead pages, ClickFunnels, Builderall, things like that, you're going to have to set up your campaign both ways, your capture page both ways, for mobile and for desktop. Because if you have 75% of your traffic looking at your offer through a mobile device, it's not going to look the same on a desktop screen or a laptop screen as it is on a phone screen. Alright, so make sure that is set up correctly. Okay, now as you can see here, I talked about in the previous video about traffic as far as tier 1 goes. You want to make sure that the majority of your traffic is tier 1. I'm going to say anywhere between 85 to 100% is tier 1, and as you can see here, my traffic was 100% tier 1, meaning I was at those five English-speaking, English-targeting countries. And ultimately, this was an awesome traffic campaign. I had made some sales out of this. The traffic quality score was 94. Now, if you click this little button here, it breaks down exactly what traffic quality score means. It says Clickmagick, which is the software, takes all the data and gathers about your traffic and comes up with a traffic quality score for each and every tracking link. Alright, so it breaks it down here. It says number between 100. And as you can see here, 85 to 100 would be an A, and 40 to 55 would be D, which would be very poor. Anything under 40 indicates that the traffic more than likely was bot traffic, and I spoke about that before in previous videos when I discussed traffic. Okay, so how does Clickmagick, I'm on my traffic quality, and it breaks it down and it tells you exactly how it goes ahead and does that. All right, so that's traffic quality, guys. Now another thing you can do is you can also see the daily breakdown of their traffic, like so what days was here. So as you can see, I started running the traffic on the 19th, and the campaign stopped on the 24th, which was just 3 days ago, for those of you watching this video at the time of recording. So it was broken down, and you can see, so I can say, okay, this day, right, I got 124 clicks. So approximately how many people should have opted into my list? Standard industry is between 30 and 40%. If you're running great traffic, as you can see, this was 90. Got a traffic quality score of 94. Somewhere upwards of 50%. So if you take 50%, I should have got anywhere between, let's say, 50 and 65 clicks, opt-ins that day. Depending on like the traffic, like I said. So you just want to go ahead and see the breakdown of the traffic. Now this is the daily breakdown. You could toggle it, right, and see like that. Everything else is good there. Also, you want to come back and you can see here traffic analysis, where the traffic is coming from. As you can see, 469 was coming from the U.S., Canada, Great Britain, New Zealand. One from, I think this is PR's Puerto Rico, Australia, and IE. So basically these 1, 2, 3, 4 right here are exactly where you want your traffic to come from. All right. So let's go back over here and take a look at click breakdown, traffic quality, daily breakdown. Like I said, guys, and you could actually download your traffic to see exactly where it's coming from, as far as the daily, the IP addresses, things like that. Alright, so this is the traffic quality that I ran, and you could also set it up. You can track your conversions, you could split test. There's a lot of things that you can do to really super target your tracking links and your clicks. Alright, and if you wanted to come over here, alright, you could do all these activities over here. Archive link, reset test clicks. If you want to run the same traffic with the same provider using the same link, you could reset your test clicks. Okay, so these are all the things that you can do. But I know a lot of you are wondering, okay, this is great and everything, but how do I set it up? How do I actually get the traffic and set it up? And that's what I'm going to do with you guys right now, so stay tuned, alright? Okay, guys, so as you can see here, we're back into the first screen of the software Clickmagick. It's campaign. This breaks it down. If you want to sit here and watch the video, it shows you exactly how to set up a campaign. But I'm going to go over with you step by step and show you exactly how to do it. So what you got to do is you're going to click links. Alright? Now you're going to go over here and you're going to create a new link. Now, what I like to do is the name of the traffic provider that I'm using, or the solo ad provider that I'm using. I'll initialize the name, what offer I'm currently promoting, and the date. So, for example, I'll just use example. All right, example. Let's say I'm running my offer, which is Profits Passport, the offer that I've been telling you guys about. So once again, I'm going to go ahead and initialize that as Profits Passport as PP, and then the date would be 8/27, right? So you can easily identify where or what campaign you're setting up, right? So then you have a tracking link. This is what you're going to give your solo ad provider, okay? So you're going to go here. It's already set up for you. All you have to do is put your backlink, which is example. Oops. Right? PP 8/27. And then you're going to go ahead and take your full affiliate offer. And on the back of your affiliate offer, you're going to use example once again. so you could track to exactly where that opt-in is coming from. And you're going to go ahead now. If you want to, you could create, at this point, you can create a pixel. Okay. You can create, you could break it, put down how much you paid for the traffic. Let's say, well, like I said, a one-time cost. Let's say you paid $500 for the ad. You could put 500 here, one-time cost, or you could even put cost per action, and then what kind of action you wanted. So how much did it cost me for them to click on the link? How many opt-in? And then it breaks it down for you like that. But right, for this example, we're just going to keep it simple. That's what we like to do over here, keep it simple. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to create the link. Okay. Oh, it says I must enter traffic. I mean a cost. I'm not doing a cost, so let's go back over here and fix that. All right. Create link. All right. All right. Now you're going to find that link. I know exactly where mine is because it alphabetizes them. So it starts with E, for example, so it's right here. Now you're going to always want to test your links. All right. Very important to test. So what you're going to do here is click preview link right here in this magnifying glass, and it should bring you right to the link that you're looking to promote. And boom, there it is right there. This is the opportunity that I've been telling you guys about. $2,000 up to $16,500. Very, very easy. And as you can see right here, I could easily identify an example PP827, which was exactly the tracking link that I used. All right. So very, very important, guys. So you want to go back, just test it out. Now, once again, if you want to get super advanced, you could add a pixel link, a funnel cost, URL, geo-targeting, filter, miscellaneous. But this is basically the just a quick automated thing to show you exactly how to set up a tracking link. All right, guys. So hopefully you got a little bit of value from this video. I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording. But until the next video, guys, I'll see you on the next one. All right? Bye for now. Also, if you want to check out more videos, I'm going to go ahead and put the videos in the description down below so you can check out the video when it comes to actual traffic and how to drive traffic and how to run traffic, guys. So you want to go ahead and check that out. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.